I'm Rosie Brent. I found a job through HackerJob with Sky as an engineering development manager. One of the big things I noticed about the approaches from HackerJob is they were much more interesting companies to work for. They were much more tech forward. They were much more aligned with the kinds of values I have, instead of recruiters coming to me, employers did. And that's probably what drew me to the website in the first place. Between joining and getting my first interview on HackerJob was probably only about a couple of weeks. In comparison to using other sites, it was much easier as a candidate to kind of see what was going on. But even better, when I kind of lost track of where things were in the process, my HackerJob advisor actually rang me to make sure that I'd followed up on some paperwork, knowing going into the interview that my employer had, or like my future employer, had already kind of chosen me to speak to specifically out of a pool of, hundreds of people, made me a lot more confident going into the interview. And I think that actually changed the way I approached it. I found that really quite empowering. It meant that I could go in and be very open about who I was, because they'd clearly done some research on who I was, and it relaxed me a great deal. The reason that I would recommend HackerJob is that you are looking then at companies interested in hiring you. So it allows you to be fully in control of a recruitment process.